We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. We remove the plastic protection from the top of the device. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the connector of the screen. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Here we have the loudspeaker. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. It's time to remove the broken screen. Before glue the new screen, you must check if the screen is working properly. We apply industrial adhesive glue depending of the color of the device. Now we return with the assembly process. the device is working.